Now, if you are struggling to complete your FAFSA, please don't let hidden hurdles stand in the way of your college financial aid. Hawaii P20 is hosting virtual online events to help high school seniors prepare for college. Lauren Fruto is here with more details. Welcome back, Lauren.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. Okay. No. So summer break is done. Our students are back in the classroom, and for many of them, understanding the process to apply for college and pay for it is right now top of mind. Yes. How can Hawaii P20 help with that?
So we are hosting our free virtual webinars that are starting August 20th all the way through October 1st. And these financial aid webinars are really good to have you have tips on how to complete the free application for federal student aid, or the FAFSA, for the 2026-2027 school year.
Awesome. And it would be smart to come with questions, right?
Absolutely.
Have an idea of what it is that you want to ask. And you said webinars. So these meetings, none of them are in person. They're all online. Makes it so much easier for families, right?
Yeah. So we bring the information to you guys directly to where you want to view it from home. It's going to be from 6 to 7:30 every Wednesday until October 1st. And we're going to be here to talk about how to access $70 million worth of scholarships and grants that Hawaii students are awarded every year.
So did I hear correctly that the webinars are all free?
Absolutely.
Oh,
so
wow.
Free, and it's open to register online right now at College is Within Reach Hawaii. So as long as you have laptop, smartphone, you can access it right from your device.
Beautiful. Now, I know you mentioned it a little bit earlier, the federal
free application for federal student aid.
Yep. I know it as a FAFSA.
Yes.
Right? And this is kind of like the key that unlocks everything. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, so this is for students thinking about a 2-year, 4-year, or vocational school. It's an application that is something you should fill out every single year in school to get the maximum amount of free money out there for your education. We also have an email in case you miss our webinars that is fafsa@hawaii.edu. It's for all Hawaii students and families to access, regardless of where you're going to school.
Now, I imagine that filling out the FAFSA is super important, or else you folks would not be having weekly webinars about this, right? Can you stress how important it is for our Hawaii families to take advantage of this?
Oh, it's super important. You don't know what you qualify for until you try, and that amount of money can help extramentally when it comes to your education in terms of books or transportation. Free money is free, so take advantage of it when you can.
Absolutely. Okay, drop that website on us one more time.
So the registration is out right now. You can register at collegeswithinreachhawaii.com, and if you miss it, we have our webinars recorded as well as resources all year round on there.
Beautiful. Lauren Fruto, she's our Hawaii P20's College Transition Support Coordinator. Lauren, you're amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Mahalo nui, Lena girl and Lauren. Hey sis, guess what? Today is National Sandwich Month.
Ooh,
Well, actually, for
I
a whole
love
month.
sandwiches.
Me too. So here's our You Swak on my question. What is America's favorite sandwich? Is it the grilled cheese, PB&J, egg salad sandwich, or ham and cheese? We'll get you the answer on the other side of the break, right here on Island Life Live.